Okay, now we see questions number 3. So question number 3 is y prime equal to minus 2y plus 3. So we rewrite it down. We have a dy dx right in the standard form. So we move minus 2y to the left hand side with plus 2y, and this is equal to 3, right? And then we identify what is the px in the linear first order e. Px here is 2, and then the qx is 3, right? And then we find the integrating factor exponential integrate over px dx. So this is exponential 2x. Okay, and then using the general formula we find the general solutions. We have y 1 over integrating factor exponential 2x and integrate over qx exponential 2x dx plus c. Okay, now we can move out the integrations, the constant value out of the integrations. Okay, we have exponential 2x, so move 3 out of the integrate. We integrate over exponential 2x dx plus c. Okay, now we have we do these integrations. We have 3 divided by 2 exponential 2x plus c. Okay, now we multiply the 1 over exponential 2x. So our general solution, final general solution, we have 3 over 2, right? Then we have c divided by exponential 2x. So this will be our